How can pharmaceutical manufacturers move delicate products safely, efficiently, and without compromise? Hi, I'm Francesco Caselli, and I'm from Italy, and I've been working for FlexLink since 2 years as a key account manager at Pharma. For over 40 years, we've helped pharmaceutical companies worldwide achieve operational excellence. The pharmaceutical industry faces unique challenges: gentle handling of vials and syringes, maintaining clean and safe environment, full traceability, and maximizing efficiency to reduce stoppages. FlexLink provides solutions to meet these demands. Precision conveyor like X45, X65, and X85 gently transport even the most sensitive products. Line balancing solution to optimize production flow and reduce downtime. Robotic palletizing, collaborative or industrial, can ensure safe, reliable and automation in line and at the end of the line. We don't just supply conveyors, we deliver complete, integrated solutions tailored to your pharmaceutical operations. Ready to elevate your pharmaceutical product handling? Start exploring our range.